Huh?
Love you.
Love you. Closing time.
I hate you, TikTok. Lagi, ay, baka lalo ko ma-shadow ban. Pero yeah, lagi ako shadow ban sa'yo.
So, i-explain natin yung wala ka nung kaman. Ay, kailangan
Extra naman. Oh, tito dyan.
Pwede pa rin siya happy.
Okay na yan.
Yeah. 30 years na yan. Kunin mo o Diyos na. So kayo po, mamili na lang kayo kung anong gusto nyo theme song doon, diba?
Nakalimutan ko yung knowledge. Si Dulce pala nandito.
Yes, my mom!
Superstar. My friend. Vice ganda.
Yung mga singer performers, pag intro, parang eulogy. Sir Louis, chichika lang ako habang tumutok ko. Okay, say, I would like to give you this very iconic song made by the very iconic Sir Louis Ocampo. I'm very sure you are familiar with the lyrics, and if you happen to know the lyrics, just shut up. It's my number. Okay? So, sa mga in love, sa mga iniwan, ito yung nung 90s, early to that ultimate, hugot song. So, this one's for you. Ang buhay ng Kristiyano. Sinulat mo ba ito? Wow, relate na relate. Oh, kasi yung mga edad nito pang prayer meeting talaga yung papunta sa prayer meeting talaga itong event na to. At ito, concert/prayer meeting. Seryosohin niyo naman, this is a very beautiful song. So let's create the mood. This is a very serious song. Nobody makes noise. Shut up, fucking shit! Ba't may tumatawa? Kakanta ako. Gago? Ang respeto. Yes, friendly ba? Nakikita ba kayo? Junjun, behave! It's way past your bedtime. You have classes tomorrow. And there are nights when I can't help but cry, and I wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. When did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind completely? When I thought this love
Ano ba yung ginagawa? Grabe!
Bigay mo, Brent. Bigay mo. Pinaulit to para sa'yo eh. Di pa rin siya happy.
Napagod ka na.
Wala pa din sa
Ang bibitaw, lang bibitaw. Bigay nyo.
Ayun.
Go ahead, be my hero for a reason. I can tell her all my secrets. I know she gon' do.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.